Should I tell you today the secret sauce behind why Swood is already being used in over 50 countries?
The secret ingredient of my secret ingredient soup. Oh.
Well, if you're new here, let me give you a small insight into what is Swood. Yes, Swood is a 3D CAD/CAM woodworking software. Yes, it is an add-on to SolidWorks that's enabling you to work with different materials at the same time. Yes, it is parametric, and yes, it covers your entire process from design to manufacturing. So now, coming towards our secret sauce of how we develop Swood is welcome to our new episode of Cafe with Swood, where I, Kunal, marketing lead at Efficad, will tell you how we develop our software that is Swood. First step is that we talk. Yes, we talk with our customers, our partners, industry leaders, as well as woodworking enthusiasts to understand what their personal needs are, what their company needs are, as well as what they are looking for in the woodworking market. Well, indeed, different sectors have different needs. So that's why our team is always in direct contact with the industry leaders of these sectors. Our teams from sales, tech, dev, as well as the pre-sales teams are then involved in the huge brainstorming sessions where they take the critical decision on how the new functionalities will look like and how they will be translated into codes which will be used by our developers. Well, the second step goes to the development round. Welcome to the developers den. These are the geniuses who are behind the development of all new features of our portfolio. After a long discussion with the industry leaders, our development team works on the existing features to make them even more easily used and adds new features according to the industry's needs. Our team always tries to reach the target. Well, the third step is now testing. Without testing the features, they are never rolled out. And for this, our teams and our partners collaborate and find ways to test the new features in real-life situations with many custom projects as well as processes. Well, the fourth step now is refining. All these tested features are refined and corrected for any bugs before the rollout. At this time, you can literally smell the bread cooking. And the final step is the rollout. Our new features of the portfolio are then ready to be used in real cases with complex projects. All these features are developed with the end user in mind. These features are developed to provide you with more options and make your life easier when designing and manufacturing. They are industry specific and can help you finish those dream projects, just like my croissant. So here was the secret sauce of us developing new features of Swood. If you think some other features would be interesting to develop, drop them down in the comments and I will see you next time in another episode of Cafe with Swood. And wait, don't forget to subscribe.